संकट पर नागरिक उड्डयन मंत्री राम मोहन नायडू ने देश भर के एयरपोर्ट निदेशकों के साथ बैठक की और एयरपोर्ट पर यात्रियों को हर मुमकिन मदद और उनका ध्यान रखने के निर्देश दिए हैं। नायडू ने न्यूज 18 इंडिया से एक्सक्लूसिव बातचीत में कहा कि जांच के बाद इंडिगो पर सख्त कार्रवाई होगी। तो नागरिक उड्डयन मंत्री ने ये बयान उनका सुनिए।
Indigo took them so many hours to realize that they had to provide refreshments. That was only after you held a meeting with them. They had to provide alternate accommodation. Isn't this criminal, to say the least?
No, if this is the situation that there are any lapses, then definitely, like you said, there needs to be an action that needs to be taken. That is why the DGCA we have put not only on what is happening at the airport, but why did that situation come only for Indigo? Because one reasoning that we have is that because of the new FDTL norms that have come from November 1st, that itself 1 month has already passed. Other airlines don't have any complaints regarding this. Why is that Indigo is facing this problem all of a sudden? So we are going to inquire in total depth of this situation, and it is an inquiry not just to keep it on the paper, but we are going to take necessary action so that one, it becomes a precedent, and two,